Hello guys, welcome to Quick Tech. If today is your first time here, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and the notification icon below. Today I have with me Erastus, though he's a software engineer. He'll be sharing with us some of the things you need to do as an upcoming software engineer to succeed. Erastus, you're welcome.
Thank you, bro.
It has been a long time.
Yeah, Charlie. You know.
People is well.
Oh yeah, by God's grace, you're
I've
managing.
I've heard you people are the big men now, so
Charlie, it's by grace. You're on it small.
okay, thank you.
Yeah.
So my viewers have been asking me what to do to become successful, right, in the software engineering journey. So today I want you to share with them some of the things they need to do as an experienced software engineer.
Oh, okay. Thanks for the opportunity,
Okay.
and thanks for having me.
Okay.
Yeah. So from my experience, or I've been in the industry not for quite a long time,
Okay.
but I think that there are some few things that I think that will be of value to up and coming software engineers.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. So I think that first of all, you need to make a decision that this is what I want to do.
Okay.
In a sense that you have to make a deliberate effort and consistent decision that this is what I want to do. Because software engineering is not a child's play,
Okay.
in a sense that you need to be committed to the craft. It's not something that you can just come today, well, today I want to learn, then okay, you give up and come back again. It doesn't work like that. It's like you start one step at a time, but you don't stop. You keep progressing bit by bit, right? So once you make that decision, I think it will go a long way to affirm your decision that this is what I want to do. Okay, so secondly, I think that also you need to learn.
Okay.
Learning in the sense that you need to learn the language or whatever you want to do. Because in software engineering, we are using programming languages to solve problems, right?
Yeah.
So you are writing code to solve a particular problem for a customer, right? So you need to be able to learn the crafts and build sample projects on yourself, by yourself, sorry. So that would help you gain the experience that is needed. Because imagine, let's say, you are driving, or you want to buy your Mercedes Benz, right? And you will go to a mechanic shop, and the mechanic, the boss says that he wants his apprentice who is just like a 2 day or 3 day old apprentice to work on your car. I'm not sure you'll be happy with that, right?
No.
You want someone who is experienced.
Yeah.
Same way software engineering, I don't think any business would want to employ someone who has no, practical experience building software to come and try and start building something for them, right?
Okay.
Yeah. So I think that you need to work on your craft, means that you need to put in the effort to build it. Yeah.
Talking about learning,
Mhm.
most people have been jumping from one programming language to the other because when they want to follow the trend. When one software come, they want to what program. Sorry, when one programming language come, they want to what venture into that. Maybe Python is seen. They've seen that Python is trending. Okay, then let me go to Python. JavaScript is trending. Let me go to JavaScript. What advice will you give to such people?
Well, from my perspective, I think that you need to be definite, or you need to look at the specific aspect of software engineering that you want to venture into.
Okay.
Then that will also influence your decision, right? But I think that as an up and coming software engineer, you don't need to be jumping from one language to another. Just choose one particular language and then learn it to the core. If I say core, at least play around with it. Try and build some sample project. Go on YouTube, follow a particular tutorial, build something from beginning to end. Don't give up in the beginning, that in the end that maybe, or somewhere in the middle, that I'm trying to do something, it's not working. So I just want to give up and start. And you see something new and then you jump onto that one. I've been in in those shoes before.
Okay.
Like, I started learning JavaScript. Oh, I learned that now TypeScript is the new age, and I jump into it. But if you understand JavaScript, you know that TypeScript is just an addition. It makes you type statically. It makes you, do things in a specific way. That's the addition that TypeScript adds to JavaScript, right?
Okay.
So I think that you don't need to necessarily jump from one language to another. I think that you need to be specific, focus on it, learn it to the core. Then you can, explore other languages and see the features that they have that the language you've learned does not have advantage in that area.
Okay.
Yeah.
What other things should they look out for?
I also think that you need to find a mentor.
Okay.
A mentor means that someone has been on that journey that you want to embark on, right?
Okay.
So that person will be in a good position to guide you, that do it that way, do it that way. Learn this language if you want to go into data science. Learn this particular technology. learn this particular maybe concept. I think those are the what a mentor should help you do. A mentor won't come and hold your hand or say, "Let me teach you." What a mentor does is to guide you, right? So I think you need a mentor so that you don't mislead yourself learning something that is not necessary, and also that person guides you to learn the current things that you need or things that are up to date.
Okay.
Sometimes you might go your own way and learn things that are maybe way back, and technology keeps evolving.
Yeah.
So I think when you find a good mentor should be able to guide you. Yeah.
Okay. Finding a mentor. So people find mentors pertaining to specific programming language, or you can find mentor in any area of your choice. Then what? Maybe I'm doing, let me say Python, and I need a mentor, and I went to get someone who is into JavaScript. Is it
Okay.
advisable or not?
I think that you need a mentor who has been on the same journey that you've been. The reason being that if let's say right now you want to go into medicine, right,
Yeah.
and someone is a farmer, and you tell me that you want to go and look for a farmer to come and help you guide you as to how to go about medicine, I don't think that's the best thing, right?
Yeah.
So I think that you need to look for someone who is in your field, who has the experience and is willing to help you, because even if you find a person, the person is not willing, the person cannot give out his or her best, right? So find a person who is specific, who is working in your specific area of expertise that you want to go into, right? Once you detect that person or you find that person, I think that person will be of more value than someone who is not in that field.
Okay.
Yeah.
Talking about mentorship, ADP list is enrolling mentors to students and people coming up. So you can go to their website and sign up for mentorship programs. It's free. So these are a free ad for ADP list. Okay, so let's continue. So what other things should people look out for?
Yeah, I think that social skills also matter,
Okay.
because if you are learning something, you need to be working with human beings.
Okay.
You can't be just one engineer and work on everything by yourself, right?
Solo.
Yeah, you can't do that. If you're building something which is worth the, like, I mean, this, I'm not talking about like, I mean, uh, personal projects that you are building. I'm talking about if you want to work in the corporate environment, you want to work as with people in the industry. I think that you need social skills.
Okay.
So you should build your social skills in a sense that you know how to ask questions, know how to relate with other developers,
Okay.
know how to, I mean, work as a team or as a member of a team, right? That's because sometimes you can work in a team where the relationship there is toxic, right, and it doesn't promote good work ethics, right? So I think that you need to also have some social skills, know how to relate to people in general. Yeah.
Okay. Are there any other things that you want to add to it?
Yeah, I think that you should. One last thing I would want to say is that there's no end to learning.
Okay.
Because in the industry of tech or software engineering, that as I have come to understand, things keep on changing, things are evolving, right? So I believe that if you want to be in this craft, if you want to be in this field, right, you need to keep learning day in, day out. There's nothing that is static. Yesterday you might do certain things some specific way, but going forward, I think that things change, things evolve. There are better ways of doing things each and every day. So they have that spirit of learning, have that as one of your basic principles, that you keep learning. Open yourself up to learn from people. Don't think that you are the master. So you know, I think there are better software engineers out there, far better than you. So keep learning. Open up yourself for people to come your way and help you in case you are in need. Yeah.
What other advice would you give to people who feel shy to approach people? Like there are software engineers who feel like, okay, I'm okay in my zone. So they are always like alone, learning their own things. They don't feel like asking people for help when they are blocked.
Well, I think that we all have different ways we approach certain things, but I feel that as an engineer, you don't know it. You can't know it all. You can't have all the I mean, the knowledge by yourself. You always ask for help. So open up yourself and ask for help, because what you might be trying to solve, or that maybe that task that has been bothering you for quite some time, you can reach out to somebody who has the knowledge in that area, and please ask for help. You can't do it all by yourself, right? People are there to help you. So approach people, open up for people to help you. It will save you the time. because sometimes when you speak to people, they even give you broader perspective of what you are doing,
Yeah.
and that even helps you not just today in like the current task, but somewhere in the future it will help you overcome certain blockages that you might encounter in the future. Yeah.
Okay. Open up to people and ask for help anytime you need some. This is Erastus. I would like you to share your social media handles for people to.
Okay, so on LinkedIn, I'm Erastus Do, and on Twitter, I'm at elinam.
Okay. Thank you very much, my audience. This has been another amazing episode. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification icon so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know. Peace.